Assalamu alaikum one people, I'm Dr. Asma Mahmood and this video is basically a review video about an online course called Finally Pregnant. It is being sold online and I came across through this course through ads and it was saying that this course is basically valued at $500, but now if you click just right now you will get it for $100. Plus they said there is a money back guarantee. If you don't like our course, we will give you all your money back. Thirdly, they said if you have any gynecological problem like fibroids, like cysts, like endometriosis, if you have any gynecological problem that is the cause of your infertility, this course will heal it. Like, I was very intrigued as a doctor that what could this course be? There is not even a medicine in the medical science that I have studied. I am an MBBS doctor and I have studied allopathy, homeopathy, Ayurvedic medicine as well as naturopathy. And I have never come across such a miracle wonder cure that could heal any or diseases of the world. So I was naturally intrigued to find out what this is. Plus, I thought they are promising a money back guarantee, so I should not be worried about my $100, isn't it? Anyway, I took the course, I went through all the books given, I skimmed through it in maybe 10-12 days, and I went back to them and told them this course is of no use because it is all based on Chinese medicine. For a doctor like me, it is totally useless because I have already studied all those things and my clinic is called Hijama Clinic. I practice all these points. The Hijama points are basically based on the Chinese acupuncture points only. And the rest of the information that is given to the public is nothing new. Everyone knows that the fruits and the vegetables are being sprayed with harmful insecticides and pesticides. Everyone knows that the plastic and the chemicals in our cosmetics like creams and soaps are bad for our health. So all these books basically were a general lifestyle change about leaving the fruits and vegetables with insecticides and pesticides and leaving those chemicals from any and every cosmetics. Plus it says avoid plastics and all these things, which I think not only women who wish to be pregnant know, but even small kids right now know what are the health hazards that are surrounding us, isn't it? So anyway, I skimmed through the books. I thought, okay, I'll go take a refund because this has been a totally useless course for me. So when I went and wrote them an email that this course is of no use, please refund my money back, they refused to give my money back also, saying that it was made clear before selling the course, which is totally a false statement. No one told that this whole course is based on Chinese medicine and that single therapy that can heal endometriosis, cysts, and PCOS and every other infertility causing disease is actually Chinese acupuncture. So I made this video for you just to intimate you that in future if you buy any course, first of all go to a third party like Trustpilot and see what are the reviews of other people over there, or search them on Facebook. Like, what are other people saying? The people who bought these courses, what are they saying? So let me know in the comment section below. Has this ever happened to you before? Did you buy the Finally Pregnant course and what was your experience about it? Take care till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.